Uxoxela ngalomzuzu. Welcome to Duyaza Brothers, another episode of Real Stories with Duyaza. Bafethu, kamna Muvusi Mavusana aka Mavuthela. Ngisegole la goba amadoda bafethu. Kuthiwa abanyama kayipheli, phela amazinyo amadoda. Elamsela nqamuka. Bafo.
Bafuna ingoma engifuna sivume. Engizwe evet la
kita khona ingoma.
Ithi ile ngoma ethi Mazulu halapisa.
Oh madoda.
Mazulu halapisa.
Mina ngivuma ngithini?
Ethi
Mazulu halapisa. Mazulu halapisa. Oh, Mazulu halapisa. Mazulu halapisa. Mazulu halapisa. Awu Nkosi yami.
Sentumela senibingelele bafowethu ku Duyaza Brothers
Abusheni.
episode of Real Stories with Duyaza Brothers. Bafowethu niyalazi udaba. Aselithatha uhlangothi sizomdala sizomncane. Basazi mfethu abantu. Basazi abantu. Niyasazi, we don't have to explain a lot, but ke ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe ni comment ni share ni like nitshela uauntie ka auntie umzala kamzala ukuthi afollow iDuyaza Brothers.
Mina nje ngeze ngitshela abantu kenye ukuthi unganqeni utshontshe ifoni kamngani wakho uma kuthi uyazi nedata nepassword uyayazi. Ungene ku YouTube ye kuDuyaza Brothers ufike usubscribe nje kuphela bese uyibeka lapha ifoni yakhe. Uqedile wenza okukhulu lapho.
Yebo.
Wenza okukhulu. Bafethu namhlanje sine guest yethu lana uBafo ozivakashele naye. Uzoxoxa neDuyaza. Asixoxe ukuthini? Siyabhunga nje. Mfowethu, cela usondele kabi yami.
Oza qha.
Ngamba kahle.
N3KZN.
Aw, N3KZN.
Ayishayiso kwami.
Ngibisa kule ase yini?
Parkika ke umpangeni.
Kompangeni.
Number 9.
Umpangeni.
Ah,
so bafethu.
Bese kamubani njalo?
Kagiso mfethu surname kumwaghe.
Kumwaghe.
Yes.
Agi
builder.
Oh okay.
Yeah.
Yini Msuthu Mtswana? Mtswana. Okay. Hayi mina inkabi yami ngibuye ngiyahluleka ukwehlukanisa ukuthi isisuthu lesi isipedi lesi. Ngazi nje isiXhosa, isiZulu. Ukwehlukanisa. Ngiyayikhuluma lezi ezinye but ukwehlukanisa ukuthi okay nje manje lo ukhuluma isiTswana or ukhuluma isisuthu. Yeah, hayi angazi.
And then vendor in Changani.
Ayisivenda ngiyasezwe isivenda. Oh bariminge.
Okay, yeah, like can you like make the difference between
Isivenda nashangana. Isisongo lo wabulabula.
yeah, song.
Yeah,
Kubulabula braya.
Akisho ukuthi wena uyabulabula. But I think yeah ngiyakhona ukuzumehluko lapho. Isivenda ngathi bayalwa bekhuluma. Akisho ukuthi bayalwa. Kodwa nje yeah.
But nomntana khona usikhuluma sakana 8.
Usakala asikhuluma mncane
Kakhulu.
wena nje shuthi bangaso umithi unengane yombeni ungayithatha ingane yakhe ayikhuluma
Kanti cha, isafundile lapho.
Bakulela emakhaya and then finally can come in some provinces. Yeah.
Because phela mangakhulana eJozi angagcina ngasazi isivenda engakhule ngasazi
Ayikona vele.
Grace because they love their culture.
Yeah.
They believe ukuthi when you are vendor kwamele ukhulume isivenda.
And it's a good thing.
Yeah.
It's a good thing. Yeah, kuhle mfethu ukukhuluma ilanguage yakho
Yeah.
and also vendor people are also good people. They are nice people.
and ama-vendors nginokubona ngathi baslem labantu laba
Smart people.
Yeah, they are very smart.
nje ngibona nje ngathi angazi babone bayithola imisebenzi or bafunde kakhulu or kwenzakalani kodwa nje lezi nokunothisa
Nice houses lapha evenda.
evenda ne bayakhanda futhi
And I like the fact ukuthi bayaya ekhaya like Zulu people, you guys.
Yeah.
Man, it's good.
Yes.
Like I love people who go home.
ne
Yeah.
Power.
wena kukuphi ekhaya
When I was born in Northwest, Zirast.
Zirast
Yeah, Zirast. There's a place called a small town, Zirast. It's just before Ufika Mafikeng.
sure.
Yeah. Ngangena iskela in Northwest grade 1 2 3 4 then ngazala eJozi.
So okay
So we took abo time afeli naye ubuya Ziras nayo already same thing Ziras.
Oh yeah, sure.
So mina ngathi I'm a pure Tswana.
Okay.
Yeah, pure Tswana.
Also half what
uTswana nje phelele nje sigaba yami. So ngafika la Soweto kabo time bekuhlala uMagriza wami yabona. Angithi yazi bebasipana emakitchen so
ngalezi kathi
so sahlala ngapha sageleza ngapha then I learned all these languages isiZulu Xhosa Tsotsitali yabona isuthu sase Soweto because apparently bathi kunesisuthu sase Soweto isiZulu sase Soweto or for that matter you can say sase Joburg yabona
yazi lento ngaqala ukuzwa ePretoria uzothiwa kuneSpitori
yabona
abantu basePitori bathi ngifunda khona ngifunde CUC
Braga hape mina
bakhuluma nje bathi Braga
unothola family kaFela Braga ebulela kamkho
Efase ngivela ngezwa lutho
ngempela awukukho uyakwazi ukukhuluma iSpitori wena
akasibulela nyana wabona
awushayele mhlawumbe few lines ngibona ukuthi
kapho uzisho ukuthi wena ubani kanjani
okay Braga apeneki K wa DG wabona Braga they always mixing something with something
mina Jomusa wathi
the K to the G that number one African boy Panthalwana Braga apenekele para mfana ke this wabona babulela kwanomkhonyana they took it from a word delicious so when they say into ides kusho ukuthi imjodo right yabona so they mixing this language because remember Pitori it's a mix of Sepedi and Setswana wabona
iSpitori okay
imixture elentizane Sepedi and Setswana yabona because angithi Muslim babuya la babona le board welcome to Gauteng but ngwana mme re fitlile Gauteng
ngwana mme
bona so most of mangafika eThembisa bro gcwele people from Limpopo bro
eThembisa
eThembisa kugcwele amapedi kugcwele abatswana la yabona
and angazi sike sakhuluma ngale sixoxa ngayo angazi if besinawe Chris no Eric angazi or bekuli angisazi sikhuluma ngaba ukuthi abantu base Limpopo nje most yabo ngeke ubathole la emadrobheni emaflatini or kuma estates ubathola from emakasi Thembisa in and then what they do bahamba bokhanda emakhaya imali bayspenda ngale I spend kwi rent
shop official Limpopo ubitsa le karapa is that thing that miner babangena babela so bafika ngadawo ikarapa ngoba ubuye Jozi uyokusebenza
so buya kwimine semine
athi Chris semine nje
shuthi yithi la
kahle
zomba yithi la
bazobe anisho nje kathi
but now amakarapa afikile akuyodwa kamnandi 7 colors yebo but kube wesike imoto yakho ibuye ithi GP and I'm a doctor bro I'm a specialist I actually have a friend bro angazi if names can be mentioned kule show yethu but ngoba akenzi into wrong and lento yenza umphakathi ya benefit
sure
igama lakhe uPet Maude
okay
la awuthilana ingeni okay makazalo oledi lakhe la shona bona
sure
wakhuliswa ugogo
okay
wakhuliswa ugogo and then ukhuliswa ugogo kwakhe makangitshela ukhule kuumuntu ukuthi bekayiswela iNike bekayiswela Levi's December bekagcoka eThafisi bro yabona kuyimpahla zakhe nje zesigela kuyi happy Christmas la
ngiyawazi lo situation
but bekumuntu focus esigela yabona waphasa grade matric wafuna amabhazari wathola but wathola le ndawo siningi ahlupheka ngento egawula and manje uhlala estradini sami yabona kumjida hayi mfethu hayi siringa when you get to be close to umuntu ne that's where you get to know a deeper person ukuthi umuntu onjani uphila kanjani odlani yabona so umjida nyambona uyabhaziseka siyashare plate not the way adla ngakhona udla njengomuntu ukuthi yontwana ungisavile ngiyabonga
Mfethu.
yabona you can see from the action yomuntu ukuthi hayi lo muntu la udlela ukuthi yo nkabi yami wangisiza mfethu yeah. So now waphasa grand wacala akuspana ebhara aspenela investigation company like yabona makune flu ba investigate ukuthi flu singaye lapha ngayo.
Oh yeah, okay, sure.
Yeah. Waya wasebenzela ecompany yase America. Yeah, lo amjita.
So wahamba ya America wayesebenza
usebenzela angapha ama office wakhona ase Woodmead office park lapha. I think office number 6.
Okay.
Yeah. So la uthi mfethu uwela impopo naye ne. Ukhule vele umama ngekho time vele umshaye ngeticket single no return yabona.
Showcase.
But yena ukhona nje yeah usipholele somewhere yeah kenze. So now untwana uphushile to a point ukuthi wakhe indlu ukuthi maybe na 60 na ye confess emakhaya khaya but
Yes.
Wow, that's
yeah
Kona ngale Limpopo.
eLimpopo bro ama specialist uyi medical specialist lo mjita lo
Yes.
from zero bro
Hey, yabona sometimes ngokubuka siyabona into yokusuka yokukhula kanzima or ukuthi into ingahlangani. Kodwa uyifuna iyakwenza umuntu ekugcineni.
iyakwenza ube hero.
Iyakwenza.
Yeah.
Ngifuna special udelelekile.
Then money reason ngathi nani futhi I target ufuna ukuyireach bro yabona mina I'm a hairdresser bro by profession. The profession I'm ngishayinwele bro ne passion to a point ukuthi noma ngisetla pen bro ngibhekile amakhanda yini ayini lapho ifela ishayawanga mfethu yabona ngibhekile ukuthi abafu azimare ama house call ngiyasha bro ngispecialize kakhulu ngawo bro isalon yami is a mobile salon ayivalwa bafethu ngifonela ngo3 bro uthi bathi ngiyashoot ngiyazwakala njalo angivali mina esalon yami akhona ama-out yami akhona abo sister abamjojo bazokutshela ukuthi mina mawungivusa ngo12 ngiyavuka
ne
Yeah.
So manje ngitshela mina usenze ukukhuluma ngendaba yesalon yakho usayivalwa and uyalishaya ekhanda enini utholakala kanjani nango kumuntu usefuna ebusuku ufuna ukuyogonda kuyaphuthuma manje sivaliwe uthola kanjani
ku Facebook page yami it's My African Saloon one word
ku Facebook page
yeah Facebook page is My African Saloon ungangithola ku Instagram KG wa Africa.
Okay.
Yeah, it's one word again.
One word.
Then Facebook yami uKG wa Africa nayo one word. Then ku cell phone number 063 93 83 377. Ngitholakala lapho anytime mina.
Wathi ungayiphinda lapha inamba.
Inamba yami futhi 063 93 83377.
Wait.
So mina ngiyatholakala anytime bro wami noma yini uyifunayo
uyashaya
ngenza yonke into bro into engayenzi nje umchino la ama braids la
okay
ngawuyenza kodwa nginenye reason ukuthi ngingayenzi bro esana
yini bala labantombazana
khona la bengisebenza khona bro mina esla out ike yabona ngi-right nama-gay bro mina mo-gay
yeah
nenkinga mabase baphatha bro
wawumenza ama-braids
lo ngisebenza angithi ama-braids kuye kusizwane laphayana uthola maybe amade yabona athi umi awungisize la yabona manje mawusungiphatha manje
bese harass
hayi ukuharasa but manje yabona lokho kwamantombazana lokho
ukuthi
uyayibona lento
manje yabothayo kwenza njani manje
ngayekela ukuthi lokho nje
hayi baba
ene manje mawuthi hayi bafu iba ngathi uba snacks
yeah ngathi
kumuntu osebenza naye every day yabona so ngathi ayazi nathi ngiphume lapha uma braids kodwa yonke into engiyayenza yeah yonke into engiyayenza mfethu uRihanna ama dreads yonke into yayistola mfethu ama mina ngikhule bayibiza year to year. I think isilungu sihamba sichange abafethu ngoba lento ebayibiza frontal manje beyazi ukuthi year to year frontal closure year to year closure khona lama closure la phelela la yeah then khona le ephelela la year to year but manje isilungu sichangeile kuthiwa frontal. Ngibone naku stomach out ukhule bathi stomach out angithi bro
this
sekuyi top but
mina ilento le even ifrontal ngingalezo nje igama le frontal for isikhathi eside kodwa kungazi ukuthi yini frontal
kunenye kuthiwa ibonnet yazi ibonnet
yini le
ibonnet nokuze bekhuluma ngayo
ibonnet uvela ucabanga imoto right
obvious
nami ngazi ukuthi lapha amavula imoto uhlangana engine bonnet yathwalwa ekhanda yathwalwa ekhanda ba
ningathi lo bonnet bemoto
you learn mfethu mina ngilene kakhulu mfethu esalon ukusebenza ngenwele ngiqale ukusebenza ngenwele from 2011 bengenza grade 11
2011 2012 2013 2014 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 14 years bro. Ushaya inwele.
Ngishaya inwele. Yo. From 2011 ngiyakhumbula ukuthi December kuvaliwe ikolo ngiphasile nyaka umatric. Kodwa manje kuvaliwe ikolo. Ngihleli. uDecember phela uDecember yaphithisa.
Yes
Manje la stradeni sami khona lo mjita oHotmanele umjojo ukuthiwa umpho igama lakhe umpho Tiff. Unesaluni lapha. Umjita ushaya inwele
so
ngihleli lapha ngaphandle anginaplan mfethu imali yekheri phela uyithola
December ngabe
so now bangena amantombazana amahle phela wazi ukuthi okhazi bavakashile eGoli mfethu bangena bashaya inwele baphuma babahle bajabulile vele mfethu mina bengisithandele uqale mfethu abahle mfethu ngivakashela umpho mfethu umthola umjita sibana yi1 and yaphithizela
kwele salungaso
ngithi man khotmana washele boy yabona athanda nami yabona
indlela
bawashe ke bhuti ngoba vele mina ngiyasikhulumela as long as ngizobenefita kwinto ezo benefita mina iwe benefit omunye umuntu yabona ngumuntu othanda ukusiza mina vele mfethu so ngamcela ubhuti ukumsiza ngoba vele bengisakhula nami bengibhekela izingane vele ngoba uDecember vele mara man mangilokho ngiwasha ngibabona bajabulile bahle mfethu yabona ngikhona ukudry yabona sa nomunye manje sathi ngidry fast manje angikhona ukuthi manje motivation lapho yaphuma kwimali ngaqala ukwenza 250 pro amene manje iza ngama 20 rand mfethu
uzenzela wena
pain man 2011 imali isanevelu isikhathi leso futhi wami yabona ngithi hayibona le ngiyibeka ngifike ngomuntu ohamba isonto yabona
vele hamba noma uyasonta
ngiyasonta futhi ngiyasonta akufani ngithi phela ngingakhohlwa ukuthi isiZulu ngisikhuluma the way ngisi-understand so kungenzeka ukuthi ngihamba isonto nina nizo-understand ukuthi ngene isonto kufana nami ozokhuluma isitswana ukuthi kunenye athame lapha eMrafi hostel ithi okay ucalile ngeyiSuthu ke uvela uphuthume basokhuluma vele
lesheshisa
uzama ukupaslow ngiyafuna ukufunda nami so injalo bhuti ngiyangena isonto ngiyabonga ukucorrect mfethu because that's how we learn so now bengihamba phi bafo ngikuvuza
isonto
ngifake imali yami le 250 lezi ngama 20 rand ino 10 rand wama 5 rand ngithi le yami lama 5 rand ufake 240
la ufaka khona
hayi kusuti yami
okay
le hayi ngiyebeka kusasa ngivuke ekseni kakhulu manje ngicleana lapha eJardin ngoba ngumntwana ngithi phela kunalokho kumele
ngikwenze before
manje ngithathi ngireport so that already azi ukuthi ngikuphi mam ngiyalapha kumpompo phela uthi ngiyemwashise ngimsize ngokuwasha amakhala athi hayi shapa ayiwenza kahle hayi ngiye lapha kumpho manje sengifree manje hayi uyangibona ngikhuthele mfethu but manje mangilokho ngiyenza man December ngithi manje sokungena imali kakhulu and manje enye into engiyibonayo man abantu abaphuma la baphuma bajabulile bro ama ngithi mara lento lena mfethu iyangijabulisa nami ngoba manje you adding value to someone mfethu
yes
umuntu osifazane bro amne icrown yakhe ilala bro
isekhaya
ilala
base
ngena eclubini bro uthole usister afake ikepisi afake iweave mina as a hairdresser the way sengine experience ngakhona bro ngiyazi ukuthi kunenkinga lapha
mayifake ikepisi
ungathola any girl eclubini afake isigqoko kunenkinga lapha
yeah
kunenkinga
because ngeke ufake isigqoko fana namango yogunda isigqoko akisifaki isigqoko
usifake plastic
yayibona bese ngisifake
uyosifake la wamonga sikhohlwa ngesaluni ngoba ngeplastic inqwaba nje yami igqoko lapha
suke semuhle
and to me why ngisikhipha endaweni eyi1 to me it's yayenza into yakho mfana uyifakile ivalue lapha mfethu uedile ivalue lapha bafo mfethu shout out
wabona isidingo sesigqoko singasekho
exactly and they always come back but uza nesinye isigqoko Adidas mfethu Nike mfethu bathela
yini wavela uvula ibhizinisi dayisi
kuyoba nzima maso ufika bafo kade ubafa kubolekile yabona ene naye zakamzala wakhe yabona ukuthi
silanda abantu
mfethu yabona and then manje accountability sometimes more owner or wenza whatever that you own in there accountability yafuneka yabona yafuneka mfethu fana no nayo isaluni ifuna ngathi ungaba endaweni A1 yabona because now abantu they believe ukuthi isaluni yaka KG mayela so hlala sizalana hayi ukuthi sinini
mase
manje ngiphuma ngapha eSouth yabona so into enjalo ngathola ireason yokwenza ukuchubeka ninwele ngokubona eda ivalue kumuntu mfethu ngibona umuntu aphuma ajabulile wena mfethu uyangibona aphuma ajabulile ujabulisa mina kakhulu and then imali is after mfethu yabona moyenza into uyithanda bro wami kune foundation to every house bafethu and a foundation sometimes it doesn't make sense to abanye abantu ukuthi iroom le ngathi lingane so lo kanjani what i-double store kanjani like okay so bona maso uqedile isilungu sibuye sisho ukuthi trust the process but abanye abantu because akusinto yabo ngeke ba trust the process or bayibone for that sake so wena uyenza uyayibona iprocess ukuthi okay la nyaka lana i-double store izokhula nje ibe nepool phezulu yabona into enjalo so uqala kancane vele ngoba ne foundation into encane uqala lapho imeli iyome ubesho ukuthi ayizoma indlu yami so ngaqala kanjalo fere siyathi 2012 oleda thay angithi soya ku matric manje yeka into zamasaluni mara nginemali ebhaya wena sengiyamkhombisa
osibekile
ngiyamkhombisa oledi ngithi hayi manje ngiyobhayela ithafisi ngingena ku matric ngiprepared and then manje khona lento lethi phasa fast ubenzime ngiphase ngicede ayisana endlini ngiyaphlawa amanefsasi in
bafuna isikole
kade ngenza o science esikelo life science yabona pure math la manje pure math bro
aya trap
kufundisa 14 times 2 it's my boy test what's the value of x yabona ayisana so maso we-passa ngamadoda score 40 bathi ukuthi uthole le nefsas kwamele u-upgrade uthi 50 uyi-upgrade i1 sharp ubuye uyiphasile ayi u-apply but manje ngisasela ey'nweleni manje ngiyazenza but I believe ukuthi whatever you do guys ifuna page 1 and 2 yeskela yeskela for I believe ukuthi everything in a theory yakhona bese kuba ne practical K53 ile driver le uyafunda ukuthi bathi stop la mafika ku stop sign you stop umisa imoto and then you check for safety then you go then but manje masenze practical ubheka usasele ukuthi ufethu awuqini la yahamba that practical let's stop it's very important for you to know yabona ngenza inwele ngengqondo ukuthi ngabona ubafu aqhubisi yabona ungazi ukuthi makaqhubisa kanje uqhubisa phezulu kwescalp esinjani uqhubisa cream so neinwele zi strong kangakanani zingabamba problem so now ngaphusha iskela ngisithole sengenza course emaphoyisa yabona just already abe mnandi lapha
happy
mangiyenza ngahlangana nenye outside ngasithola sengishaya road with but like you become a vehicle examiner uchecka imoto for
right
uthi khuleka ngakhohlwe ngenwele ngisayenza inwele futhi wami ngisayenza inwele ngiku road with ma customer after umsebenzi wami ngibhizi ngawo
bongagatsali
but understand ukuthi le i-passion and angijimisanga mali kakhulu ngifuna ukuba the best masitheli kanje bafangathi izikhulile inwele zakho and uyabona ukuthi azikhulanga inwele zakabafu but ngifuna yazi lento ethandayo bro ne kungandlulelanga ungayenzanga
ne
mawufuna mawethanda ngempela like with passion and everything kungandlulelanga ungayenzanga mathanda into sibekele itarget we fail my failure is good because now iyakupusha futhi
ukuthi
but only if you have passion for that it's gonna push you to do it and then you'll learn you'll be humble bro ukuthi nami ngifuna ukwazi yabona ngafunda inwele mfethu ama mistake wami ngabona mfethu ngafunda ngilokho ngisebenza lapha ku road with ngigijimile vele namaphoyisa nani but azange ngithole lesipani lesi bengisifundela ngathole esinye ngoba vele isibafethu i-connection yenye into program yenye into wena program so now let's say khona manje inwele mangabe ubhatala 150 ngithi amfowami le 200 yabona i-connection yenzani yakhona ube ne-benefit somewhere yabona so okay shapho ngichubeke kanjalo inwele ne-road with ayisenze le dumile goli manje sesenza whatever silesiyenzile siqoshwe emsebenzini ngichubeke inwele ngihlangana nomunye otime mfethu dala enza inwele ngoba I follow these people I check all these videos lapha Instagram Facebook YouTube all these platforms check I follow the best I see their lives and everything what they do I always want to learn something new ngoba angifuni ukwenza ikhati njalo or i-pixing style and into one njalo yangikhathaza if it doesn't have a challenge go yabona ngahlangana nomunye utimer Mr. Mashudu buya le vendor nayo yabona so wangintroduce ku L'Oreal lapha eWoodmead office park baba lapha no office yabo la ngaya lapha ngayogeleza program and then that's where banginika more motivation because there's more to this inwele program for example njengoba bengikhuluma ngescalp before u relaxa o inwele zomuntu especially umuntu we color yethu inwele zethu zicoil uyabona icoil le spring lesemoto inwele zethu zinjalo so when you relax inwele zomuntu omnyama you take them from a coil you make them straight njenge inwele zomlo abelungu aba relax
ihlezi
straight So relaxer, the main purpose here relax is to take inwela from coil to straight. That one. So with us black, our hair is coil, and then Amakalati, Ama India, their hair is curly. Yeah.
Mara uphazamisa nje.
Yebo.
Should mayichaza kanjalo. Kahle kahle lejo ngaze ngangihleziwe ngiyibuza ukuthi hawu kanjani. Bona umuntu eneyinwele mhlawumbe nje ihluthu singaka relax bese relaxile bese kahle kahle ziya stretch
ziya stretch
hayi ukuthi ziyamila ikhulu esentsaya oh just ngiyibuza
vele that long
kodwa sibeziling
yabo ubheke nalomhlobo o the Caucasian people now they are more coil.
Shuthi kahle kahle bashaya ngeenwele engaka ezinde
kahle kahle nje thina i-hairstyle lethu nje ama-dress ngoba mawuthi nje kusheshe kubamba
i-hairstyle
yabodaki ama-dress mfethu yabona so now
vele kuthiwa sibhema insango mawushaya ama-dread ubhema insango usunama-dread
the only plant guys ukuthi it remains green after isuka emhlabathini. That's a special plant guys, insango.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very special. So abantu kuphela no animal is that plant.
Ne?
Yeah. Noma ungayenzani ngeke.
Suka emhlabathini.
Yeah.
Still i-green.
Yeah, ngomuntu othanda ukwenza ama research ngento ezi-unique yabona.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ngake ngezwe kuthiwa skizopha ngake ngezwe kuthiwa insango ikhulisa inwele
it benefits inwele ngama with the proteins that insango have yabona fana nabo avocado kanje that oil maba squeeze lapha kuma lab is where's benefit inwele yabona. Remember inwele nazo you can take inwele like this flower but ephila yabona. If your scalp sakho asikho manure matured or asikho right nje inwele zakho ngeke sikhule ngeke sikhule. So ufeeda iscalp the way ufeeda amanzi to soil ukuthi flower likhule kahle. Mawuthela amanzi ku flower awutheli phezulu uthela ku scalp. So same applies to inwele. Mawuqobisa uqobisa iscalp. That's what I learned L'Oreal. Shout out to L'Oreal.
Siyafunda ke namhlanje.
That's what I learned kubo ukuthi kahle kahle siqobisa iscalp hayi inwele. Hayi inwele. Iscalp masi rich nge moisture. Babiza moisture. Moisture mai rich lapha ku scalp ibalance. Njengoba uthelela iflower yakho emanzi inwele zakho zikhula nice zikhula healthy. Into ebulala inwele abosiso highline nokuthi uthola short lana indaba ukuthi i-hair food lebayithi but la einweleni akame uthola shana kakhulu ke manje ungazi ukuthi ivaselina noma yini awusakhona nokunika ihakho ngoba manje awubheka kuba for iclean kanje
izosala lana
yabo let's le. So now L'Oreal angithi manje i-technology ihamba i-developer ezinye izinto sifunde. That's why ngithi funda ngeke ukhule uthi sengikhulile ngisafundi manje ngoba we learn every day mntana sekhaya izinto zihamba zichange ngoba ama development. Remember ba relax abhekine days ngekama eshisayo bro amthu ukuthi leya kama bewenza ngensimbi yabona. So leya nsimbi leyana bebeke emlilweni bazodonsa inwele zakho bese bafaka leya kama ba yabona but and manje bear in mind left le buyashisa mntana sekhaya ne inwele mhlambe ayikho hair food. So definitely scalp se dry on scalp must dry inwele they're definitely dead because now they're not getting any nutrients from the scalp. So mawuthi iphuma neinwele bro uthola ukuthi umuntu akhona ucedile kusela ifew yeinwele yabona ngathi umuntu akhona uyagula manje yabona
sayaphephezela
mfethu. So yeah so i-technology is fundisile ukuthi ne development. So ngafunda ukuthi inwele enye into ukuthi there's more to it bro, there's more to inwele. And then ngoba we living in a situation where money matters now, and money matters now but it doesn't have value. Oh, mawune 100 rand manje mfethu ujika ngekhona sosele nge75 rand. So ujika ikhona ukugcina
phelile
sele 2 rand ebhokoteni.
ngale ndlela sele nge2 rand
Yabona. So ayisena that value imali but now ilife esiphilayo yemali yabo.
imali
So now wonke umuntu ufuna ukwenza ufuna ukusebenza ngibe nemali ngibe udoctor but lento la akayithandi. Yabona, that's why you find lapha kuma bara bo clinic and ahlukene bo sister bahlezi bakwatile but if you find somebody oyithandayo lento kunesimple na sympathy yoba patient now.
Yeah, true.
Yoba patient more than wena. There's the problem because they doing something that they don't like.
kade ngibona istatus sika bacingwane ekhuluma ngabanenzi ukuthi sinenkinga entsha abaletha abafuna ukusebenza badojile
Ezakale into ogula ngayo bro. Manje la mfethu TB. Wena TB. Hayi man, hey drop.
ngabele ngibujova
But umuntu othandayo sibraz. Uzothi hey okay ngizokulethela manje amanzi.
siya
No, if akathandi
and
hey ngisadla uboni ngisadla.
Yazi umfethu mawusakhuluma indaba eyamanesi.
Yeah bro.
Even though ngeke ngimention isibhedlela yabo.
Sure.
Khona la ubawagula khona umuntu engimaziyo ingane encane. So kwaku December I think it was around actually mina uKhisimuzi wa last ngangisesibhedlela.
yeah
Ngangiphelezele
lomo
so angifika esibhedlela uDecember ngakhohlwa ngoDecember ziyadudulana.
Hey.
So le champ lena ivuza igazi yes nje bamqaphe ngembazo la ekhaya
Uthe kancane ne?
udaki
Hey. Benkinga ke.
uyaheyiza la
Hey.
yathi amanese awuthula wena engasho ukuthi what ngabona ukuthi actually ama ucaba umuntu yambona uyafeza uphumule isikhipho ubambe igazi abaningisho
ubuthi uyithi la
like anyanyile mfethu mina lapho igazi lami ngiyasho ukuthi yes ngizama igazi ukuthi mina uyinto ebhlungu kanje lapho nje amanesi adlula la uyamkheyisa
bambuka
wadlula nje omunye usister nje ngomzimba ewamemetha manje wena usibhakela umsindo ngathi kodwa Jehova ikhona into enjena
Umuntu akayithandi lento ayenzayo.
ngiyambona umuntu uthi igazi like liyapophoma mfethu like uyafa phela the more uluza igazi uyafa
Yeah, cause now igazi remember kwamele circulate.
yeah seliyaphuma manje
Hey seliyaphuma
guys
manje.
ngiyazi ukuthi bakhona amanesi ashaya isipani sabo and salute
Abathanda lento bayenza.
bayenza
but guys uyasebenza leyo nto leyo imali le oyenza lapha iyakondla futhi yondla nomndeni wakho ungakhohlwa nawe mfethu ukusindisa impilo zabantu. Impilo zabantu nazo zibalekile kakhulu njengoba wathatha lo msebenzi loyo kahlahle wena usumsindisa igama lakho obusindisa ini impilo zabantu. Ungayiqhenyike ngesipho sakho or mhlawumbe ngomsebenzi owenzayo because umsebenzi wakho ubaleke kakhulu and unakekela abantu. So uma usebenza ngabantu kahle kahle kumele understand ukuthi umsebenzi yes uyahola ngawo but it's not about you.
Exactly.
It's about omunye umuntu lo ufuna usizo kuwo.
Grand job.
Iba njalo yeah.
Yeah, and I have one message to abantu abasebenza ngabantu bafethu. Only one guys.
yeah
Maintain good attitude throughout masemsebenzini. Uzobona nawe izokusebenzela lento le. Yeah, izokusebenzela. From noma usister aze ngesithombe saka Rihanna angena khanda la ka Rihanna bro enza lento ayicelile but as a hairdresser be so good umbonise ama possibility angaphuma kuye sabantu asifana
ama possibilities amahle noma mhlawumbe
amahle
ukumkhombisa ukuthi lento uyifuna ikhanda lakho
Abanye abantu ube nekani kanjena nje abanye abantu.
angithi manje
Tell kanjani ukuthi ikhanda
remember
ukuthi ikhanda lakho likuvumele for this time.
Phela abantu abanenule bafo kunabantu abanenule iqala la
yayibona lento le
ufuna ukushaya ifeni
exactly mangithi maintain that one principle yokuthi maintain good attitude throughout ne leo good attitude ihamba nesmile baphansi noma athi hayi mara ngifuna le still uhleke naye uvumelane uthi and then therefore ungathi kodwa or but because it's like abanye abantu bafila ngathi ucancela lento ayikhulumile yeah ungaqhubeka nje uthi therefore yabona mase
so communication ibalekile
especially masebenza ngabantu ngithi ngisakhuluma nabantu abasebenza ngabantu kushaye maintain that good attitude noma chaphaza mfethu umuntu mfethu but bambe lapho ngogood mfethu hayi yazi hayi sorry mfethu yemwenza uphutha lana mfethu nayi lento yakho or nayi into so marwazi ukuthi lo muntu le uyo wrong wabona because bayafika mfethu kunama challenges ukuthi ngihlangane nawo mfethu I remember one day mfethu ku December yenza enye intwana eSK yabona
so kwakundi move unyaka lo
it was 2014
hayi SK 2025
yeah bekashaya SK lentwana lena so lentwana mayishaya SK ehamba nabangani bahleli lapha ya ayi 3
bahleli lapha bebhethile balindile yaba
ngathi baphethe ifone yakhe umfana lo baphethe ifone yakhe ngoba kade imdisturb lana ngithi abaniki ubangani bakho
because manje uyaphazamiseka
so now angazi kungene lapha bengikhathama ends so ngishaya into babiza i-free hand mangishaya i-free hand kusho ukuthi umshini ngosete uchiscope so ngikhatha lama ends aphezulu
oh yeah okay
bamemeza ama-gents
nomshini
wabona ngenzeni ungeni la hayi la mhlambe or somewhere la ngathi ngalungisa khona ushayela
la ukulungiseke khona vele
i14 to 15 lapha i16 iDecember yacha
shit
yo bro
ngifuna SK i16 December
zokhula nini
mina usumngene sokwenza ke
wazi ukuthi akusi mistake yami but manje uyimi uphethe umshini fana nomuntu uchayisa umuntu ngasemuva ungambona ukuthi ya break out because ama brake lights akho awasebenzi but because usemuva but makufika mina vehicle examiner ngithi wrong lo ngoba le motor is not roadworthy so ungayiwina la nampela mangifika ekhesini lami esaluni ngiyayiwina because now the concentration yakho kwamele bekumira
kwemira
mawuthi ngigunda
mangitshela
yayibona ngaba nenkinga
yazi mina mangigunda nokusaba kusho ukukhwehlela especially mase ngitrain
masobe
nokusaba kusho ukukhwehlela
yayibona le sokuyimpanza from
samanye ugundini lezo
selokuthi ugunde
boplanile kahle ukuthi ke show le yamfana sishanga amakhati aso uyathamuka ngechiscope awubafu sengihlulekile ukuzibamba lapha ngasiniza ngingacalanga umjidi nami ngomuntu angithi ngasho ukuthi asikize kancane futhi yabona fana noma ngaphathe kumchamo lapha futhi kancane nje thi u9 i-communication like you said brother is very important
good communication
so good communication by the way yes I like that so now lo mjida lentwana lesengikhawathile manje and manje hey sekumuntu olanda oledi lakhe sekumuntu olanda oledi makafika oledi ubuya vele sekalight red bro amovala ama garage bro and then manje bear in mind ukuthi maka rasa so akhuluma so kunabantu abahleli lana mfethu abalalele mfethu and then manje fere senggrand ngenwele but manje ngisebenza nabantu abahude and manje mabangibona ukuthi hayi lo
nama mistake
yayibona le but iLoreal yangikhulisa bro that's why ngithi yonke into oyenzayo ifuna page 1 2 3 noma ungafikanga kule yokugcina but as long as you know the basics of the what you do because abantu bayangibuza ukuthi dude you so good ngenwele mfethu wangavuli isaluni yakho it's guys I really want to open my thing but now what you don't understand is that I haven't learned anything about business. I haven't learned anything about the business. Yes, I will have my own salon. You guys will be coming, supporting, giving me that support and everything.
But I don't know anything about business.
But I don't know anything about business. No more ngathi petty cash game angazi ukuthi in petty cash man. Uthi le language yalapha ku business angazi ama savings in yabona into efana nalezo. So I believe ukuthi I'm busy right now studying a business ukuthi so now it's nice because now you don't have to go pay eskela you can go to school my khona imali ang promote indaba ukuthi ungayeskela but now these days it's easy because you can learn from YouTube, TikTok, you name them, all this you learn would say okay now when they say business they refer to 1 2 3 bayafundisa lapha ku YouTube lapha yonke into ikhona ku YouTube so ngibhizi manje like ngishilo ngithanda ukwenza ama research ngibhizi manje ngilena business ukuthi what is business
power
cabanga leya combination ihlangane ne talent from yenzani I believe ukuthi ku business khona la kune weight discipline because everything eyenza mawufuna ikhule you need discipline and I discipline ebuya kubantu yours first yours first mangabe uthe salon ivulwa ngo9 8 wena uyaklina phakathi so vukile
ungavuki ngo-past 9
bafo
kade umhlabeni
salon yami yazi abantu afika ngabo past 10 bo9 yazi benzeni abayifundanga ibusiness abayifundanga ibusiness because now common sense it's common to everyone ukuthi ibusiness makwelakho iba there first before everyone iba there banzani labantu laba ingamshi fika abantu abazosebenza nawe ne bathathe njengabantwana bakho umntwana wakho doesn't learn from what you say umntwana wakho learn from what you do lento ayibona uhamba umntwana uyakhasa right ufuna ukwenza lento yenzayo ufundisa ukuthi hamba khasa ngeke akwenze but when movement so same applies to the business when you come early when you respect your place of work when you always clean your place they will do the same because now we are years fika late every day when
bazofika late
bayakala Sunday Monday uyofika ngabo 11 isihlame uyofika ngene athathe le 250 avaye sizombona sekapostile kuphi so into esikela page 1 page 2 bafethu is very important noma ungafikanga lapha ku conclusion kodwa page 1 page 2 ama basics bafethu very important so I learned ama basics L'Oreal ngisasho nama shout out because ngifunde kakhulu la bafethu to your point ukuthi manje ngasithola sengisebenza kwenye salon Mall of the South ebonhle so now that's when I started to see the value of my work yabona some people really appreciate umsebenzi wami ufike bafo ngishaya card mfethu I go all out mfethu mina ngithatha wonke umuntu umntwana awubona uyabona mfethu ngithatha wonke umuntu like a client bro akuthi uzobhadala 70 rand wena ngizokusheshela angisheshi mina bro
we interested to something obafo yazi the cars I'm interested off topic kancane nje yebo siphume kancane angithi ukhulele ekhasi ukhulele ekhasi ngifuna mina ngikhulele emakhaya bengihlezi ngifuna ukuyibuza bengihlezi ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ukukhula ekhasi kunjani how does it feel kunjani ukukhula ekhasi
ukukhula ekhasi it's for me ngathi it's an advantage cause now you get to know all these privileges yabona ekasi uyakhona ukuthola ilife you umuntu hluphekayo uthola umuntu ukuthi simo se right yakhona ukuphileka Sunday bayayidla inyama then uthole privilege ye cheese boy yabona now uyakhona kuba nomngane oyi cheese boy ukuthi izinto kuye ziza lula you know like yena amateki akalibhayi uwathenga wazi yabona so but now uthola ukuthi la athenga khona kune special and then ba notify thina phela sithenga ku Studio 88 ngelay abathatha nama number ethu ukuthi noma kune special so lo cheese boy makathenga cash every day njenge salesman uyamsondeza lo muntu yazi futhi kunento so uthatha inamba mina bro like ngishilo ukuthi I learn everything a unique a interesting to me I also learn to be a marketing to learn marketing actually I wanna but angiyela ngesigele ngelene vele nge-YouTube ukuthi umuntu onjalo uyamsondeza kuyo so I believe ukuthi ama cheese boy mabayothenga bathenga cash now and again same shop let's see lapha eSenteni like umahlala eSenteni around shopper eSenteni City so they see you now and again and then now they tend to send you ama specials but manomngane onjalo yakhona ukuthi mfethu ngiyothenga i-Air Force but manje Air Force lena bathi 1.7 is 2 wena izane 700 yabona le 700 ile 700 wena wenzani ngayo ulebhaya ngayo so to
advantage
yeah to answer your question for me na experience it was an advantage one because I got to see all these privileges zokukhlupheka nokuba emaphakathini nokuba ucheese boy umuntu osponsorayo mfethu ukuthi makadinga ibhayisikeli ulithola manje but wena mawulifuna kwamele clean ichart lapha and then uyihlanganise ubaba akugcwalise nge200 and then bese khana uzoba nebhayisikeli wena mawuba nalo lamjita akasalifuni we cheese boy yabona so you get to like see yonke le mpilo lena and then nama goals umuntu you choose from lama privilege ukuthi ufuna ukuphila phi yabona because mina I believe ukuthi wherever umuntu akhona wenzile ama choice wenzile ama choice bro I made a choice ukuthi ngifuna ukuba i-hairdresser yeah and then by the way I believe ukuthi manje nina njalo ukuthi bathi ma hairstylist kuhambe kuchange from a hairstylist to by hairdresser mawuso wazi kakhulu ngeinwele ukuthi kune coil kune straight hair kune curly your scalp sensitive as sensitive no we can apply this kind of product because yona idila sensitive scalp so kanjalo bakubiza a-hairdresser because now you no longer styling the hair you also addressing
udokotela udokotela wenwele
fethuma
so ngogqirha sonke la
ekhasi ngasho ukuthi kube mnandi kube disturbing yabona cause now ikasiphela kuhlangene kakhulu no ezinye izinto zenzeka la in front of you unokuthola umakhelwane mfethu ashaya umama mfethu umama kamngani wakho phela la ikasi mfethu umakhelwane umngani wakho ngenkani yayizala nabangani orinazondana
yakukabe
yeah ngina i-privilege yasemakhaya bro mne emakhaya you get to have a friend 50 kilometers away yeah in a week niyabonana every day but ngiyalapha kayi3 uza ngapha kayi3 yabona So la eGoli umakhelwane itsara umngani or enemy. Yeah enemy for and enemy bakhona into stupid ngoba abafaka iDStv kithi before nona and that thing sometimes uyithola kubazali yabona ukuthi lo canga ukuthi ungcona yabona
Yiphi mentality ongayishintsha eKasi if bone power from nje abantu abakhulela emakasi or from abantu abaphile eKasi yiphi mentality ongathanda ukuthi abantu baseKasi beyishintshe
ngathanda ukuthi ba change i-mentality ukuthi government knows where government owe us and then government need to must what is government? Government is us, right? Yes, we elected people to be there to represent us. Good say, angathi phela if ever le show le bengena umuntu phethe phambili bengeke be ne direction, right? Yeah bengeke be ne direction. So those people siba elected ukuthi kube ne direction. Kube ne sense between us yabona kuyinto esihlukanisa kuma animal phela into esihlukanisa kuma animal bafethi isense kuphela isense kuphela because izinja zingahlala zenzi mess but thina because now we respect this place we know ukuthi kwamele ihlale clean yabona so now selected abantu ukuthi bayenze in direction la amongst us. So now the mentality banayo eKasi ngifuna ukuyichange ukuthi let's start something and then let's talk to the leaders last bakhethile ukuthi sesiqale so far sicela ukubooster 1 2 3 yeah ngoba le mali ibuye isecurity ibuye futhi la iphuma khona yes so if nabo labaholi bethu banga ibona ngalendlela ngibona ngakhona ukuthi le mali le ya circulator I understand they want to steal but that bro I'm like 10 people need houses ne build 9, steal 1. At least 9 people have houses. So now
I build 1, still 9.
Now the mentality so striker siphule wona lama robot la siza ukuthi kube ne order. Esane ugovernment ukwamela sinike umsebenzi. Yes sizamile leyo ayisebenzi. Come up with something. Yeah. Government sesiyakhala ke ngoba manje isale mali le ayingeni the way but still I boost ke then let's make a way ke kunibhatala back because at some point le mali ya rotate izobuya futhi kini ize kimi yabona kanjalo siyaphila siyabantu so ba developed country nathi one day yabona so in developed countries so ithola phi there's there's a lot of talent out there mfethu
abantu abaningi banama talent abazazi
exactly but now they believe on good morning bus sorry I'm late you see goodbye bus I'll come tomorrow yes I can
endlini sokuyophumula nje
yes angithi bangayo kuyosebenza I'm not saying that I'm referring to people abane talent like me bro angiclaim nje
I know yabona nje for ukuthi 14 years approve 14 years
khona lo sisu bekayithatha kumvango sis Madu babambiza uvele first sister bengimenza inwele namanje ngisamenza inwele bro but most of the time ngumuntu ongimenzela endlini bro so now I get to do abantu abaphezulu kanjalo and then abantu abaphezulu babone lo msebenzi lona bro uthola so bambo lira mfethu aborulani lesquad lesonke sesandawo somfethu ngalesikhathi sashisa phethe urulani bengisiphethe bro mfethu namanje some of them they call nyaya mfethu kubo kodwa isana ngibe nenkinga nje yemoto yami mfethu yangikhawathanyana kodwa uba ukhona ngisa request mfethu
bese awutshele mina yabo nje usakhuluma ngabosisi laba abawuthi ukubeza le yazi kunama house mhlawumbe uzothola ukuthi mhlawumbe sengihouse yakho nje mhlawumbe ngiwomoya la house la ozothi hey manje uyamiyeka manifika lapha endlini abakuphazamisi mhlawumbe abakufaki no ukwenza imicelo ungena lowo mqondo lo ukuthi awuse ngimzame awuthi ngimenze mhlawumbe ngimbambe kahle bese ngimzame bakhona labo baba kanjalo abazothi hey wenza lo yasisi
Niyekelani
alaliwo ayi-one bro
that's why no driver be-operator kangaka abantu
njalo bafo
futhi udila kanjani lezi
enjalo
vele isitola ini imetheletsho ukuthi
uzofuna ukwenza la uthi athengisa lahleka kuyabheda
khona kuyenzeka bafo ufike mfethu ayisana uthola iclient lesashayo lama-shot lawa khona amabhijamo babizana amabhijamo cause idress iliroko bashaye khona angazi mina ubani wenza ama-night dress bafethu wonke ahamba la but I think it's because bafuna umzimba ukhululeke yeah ungathathi because I've read ukuthi when you sleep naked that's where your body get to rest more yabona so that's why
ngamakushiya masekusha
usuphuma
so now it does happen when you get to a place man kumuntu esimami mfethu amotho kuyi-yellow popo mfethu amathanga amhlophe mfethu ayisana yabona yeah kubezima mfethu but now ma ohamba ukhula kulento yenzayo njengoba ngithi page 1 page 2 very important ihamba nediscipline lo ukuthi kwamele bekhona so that you can keep going lento yakho ikhule so that you can keep buying products usaluna mfethu man
mina kufonela uThuli Phongolo after this episode uThuli Phongolo yamaza ngithi lo was playing unaba
4
ethi hamba igama la uthi ubani
KG K to the G
KG
number 1 African boy
ngikucheckile lapha ku Instagram cha isponsor sakho ngiyasithanda
sure
bengicela mfethu ukuthi uzongenza yabo la kahlala khona
yeah sure
yabo ukhuluma ngoThuli Phongolo
yebo but
mongena nje fice nje Thuli Phongolo lapha ekudlela ilanga be agqoka ilanga
ethu man
ngibamba ethi ngicela ungenzini wena bese eseqeda mhlawumbe ekubamba would you say no ngale experience yakhe futhi inyeza
bafo
ungachaza kakhulu bafo
I wouldn't say no bafo I wouldn't say no
okay at least you are honest all right
but I'm more disciplined on money in those type of situation engihlangana nazo bro
yeah
if I know it's a lady sisomcela ungisendele imali engaka ngikhona ukuphatha product noma ukhona because I know how ladies operate bafethu yabona esaluni niyafika nispend money to spend amajita mabathi baspend isikhathi esiningi 1 hour esaluni umjita spend isikhathi esiningi 45 minutes 19 seconds ikhathi netime futhi lento oyifunayo kuyaphuthuma ugologo yaphela leli amajita but abafazi they stay esaluni and they offload bafethu they offload and we know these things bro because advantage ukuthi good ngenwele njengami so afika umama akutshela istory sonke mfethu esasendleni mfethu you know why enza kanjalo uyazi ukuthi okay maybe indoda yami ayifiki la esaluni akuyena umngane kendoda yami and akekho umngane wami owazi lo muntu lo ozokhuluma indaba zami naye yabona so mawafika lapha mfethu enye indawo angazi ukuthi ngayibizana ukuthi Bioflow, and the fact ukuthi uphuma amuhle lapha ufila light, ufila free. That's why that day man ngathi angaphuma athatha ithombe yabona. So
therapy lempahla.
yeah, so we get to listen to a story where umama athi pheka abana le style lesa ngithi ngicharge 500 khona lo bhithi uzofika makafika uthi 1000 yabona. Bese unginika le 250 uthatha 250 ne ngizokumela ngasema toilet yabona. So when you listen to those stories yabona ukuthi okay abomama kahle noma la imali mfethu imali into yabo bayayithanda nje into bayithandayo nje because I believe ukuthi nathi ama gents mfethu sayithanda imoto mfethu yabona sayithanda imoto mfethu noma olazo ezi3 mfethu uNkulunkulu makakubusisa ukuthi uthenge enye mfethu uyoyithenga mfethu yabona ukufana nomama ungaboleka nje mfethu imali encane mfethu 200 kumama mfethu ne namhlanje mhlawumbe ungena night shift uye ku night shift ithi mawubuya ube sophethe 2.5 simama ngicela ubambe la ye camera mhlambe ukungena eshawini ugaz ithi mawuceda ukuvula baba ngiyabonga 250 ungakhohle la 200 yami cabanga abafethu lo muntu ngithethe ukuqala awusipela mamnika bafo awushonga ukuthi imali yani uthi mama bamba la angithi yazi ukuthi uphethe ekhaya futhi umele vele enothatha 200 izolo uthi mama bamba la kanti la 200 bofuna ukufaka upetrol ukuthi undlule somewhere uthathe le 2.5 ukuthi ukhona uyeke emsebenzini lubuyo lonjalo
but usayifuna
usafuna le 200 so bayathanda imali yabona so ngithe hayi man yabona mangafika ngathola uthuli bro wami ngaqala awangithinta ngavele ngaba nenkinga nje mfethu ngadlala lo yashuni mfethu hey kuyoba nzima kumkhokhisa bro wami kuyoba nzima kumkhokhisa
uzothi nje
ukhokhisa and manje yenzani ku business you have lost one client ubuya nani kitchu kuphi hangisala eRamsey ngisanzusisa emaduva la bengicela uzongayina fast man mina nomngane wami siyaphuma benza abantu abayi2 mahala
uyena nomngane wakhe
mina nomngane mofika lapho umngane ushisa bro wami yo but now into important but to focus and stick to your focus heavy target ukuthi okay now ngibuya kuSisimaduva ngispenda so much ku-Uber lapha okay nge700 okay sharp ngiyokhona ukubanka so much have that thing in you setela i-target high noma you'll fall somewhere though but at least the target boyisetile awurichanga or we reachile shout out my reachile and then be consistent nama target ne discipline yakho have a discipline a consistent goal and then have some like rules to yourself man ukuthi mangenze i500 asingidle i200 yeah le 300 ngiye save mangenze 1000 so you know now ukuthi okay mange over 1000 save so much have those rules to yourself have that target to yourself have those discipline to yourself to whatever you do ukuthi emsebenzini ngifuna ukufika ngo7 every day ngifuna ukufika ngo7 every day mangafika ngo7 look at that thing yenze ukuthi ungafiki ngo7 yeah okay angifika ngo7 because isana ngayohlala nama chance ekhoneni kade sikhuluma nelanda into ebesikhuluma yenza sense majenzi ngizowabona mangi-off hayi ukuthi jikela ama-jenzi ngizowabona mangi-off
but ama-jenzi anokuyithatha ngenye indlela anokuyithatha ngenye indlela ama-jenzi ukuthi
bayathatha
nemali asahlali nathi
aba-understand
and then ubuye kumajesi majida phela ukusuka ngisebenza mina mangihleli lana yabo lo mntana nginayo bafethu ngeke bafethu so if unabangani bangempela baze understand le abangani bangempela kwamele bakubuza ukuthi hey ndoda wasuhlala nathi mfethu everyday manje ihamba kanjani business mfethu baphe uMaduva mfethu olira bakuphi yabona So if you don't have those kind of friends, bro, angithi phela remember uphela ngama rules athize ku. If you don't have those kind of friends, awuhlehla mthita. Yeah. Mina akekho umuntu ongimzondayo, but ngizonda lento yenziwa umuntu, bro.
Mfethu.
Yeah. Mangithi lo shuna ngothanda, bro, uphinde uyenza. Ngiyahleda kancane. Kodwa ngisazokubulisa ukuthi ngisasanye kodwa lashuna ngothanda please ngoba manje yakubhayizisa yabona but manje mawuphinda singidusha lapho ngoba isanile into ethandayo yabona kunzima to listen to a person athi kuwe yeke lokubhema yazi bro kunzima
Yeah,
because now ngiyekela kanjani wena ubhema
ne?
Yabona. Mfethu ibheka manje amantombazane okubhayizisa mara mina ngitshintsha stock every day. So now mina ngiphila ngama small rules. Every day wenzeni right nje. Noma ngafanga imali into right wenzini.
Yeah, I know
Into ejabulisayo.
yebo kabe yami. Mhlawumbe nje sesovala because singakhuluma kuze kushonile hayi indaba yipheli.
Part 1 buffet. Itela kube part 1. So part 2 because I have a lot.
You have a lot.
Yeah, because saloon experience bro mne ngifundise into eziningi and then ngifundise to a point ukuthi it went deep to ngifuna ukunika ngifuna a platform where I can tell abantu the motivation engibe nayo empilweni through isaluni nabo ngabasiza somewhere yabona because people banama talent da bro. I'm looking at the lama show avela kuma social media mfethu especially lekamlot mfethu people are going through a lot but they have talent. Why ba end up abada bro? It's because they don't get resources, attention or support bro. And then they end up saying with fuck your fan.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah, and then most yapega bonke labantu laba mfethu mababuya la they realize go okay 1 2 3 sharp fair ngayenza even if no one supports me, but if I believe ukuthi mina ngayenza izenzakala. But abanye yes, some people need support mfethu lokuthi hamba that way they can make it yabona. Yeah, shout out ukuthi kunabantu abafana nani guys basinika i-platform ukuthi si share lokho sinakho because there are a lot of people there bafo sazosebenza mntana sekhaya futhi sazosebenza
hayi vele sayiniya
and ngicela amasebenzani bafethu noma kwamele nisigunde bafethu nisebenza siyenzeni bafethu. I think inga-inspire someone out there ukuthi because I had ama-clients bafethu ukuthi ngiyagunda ase-office khona le athi le owner e-funeral parlor yenza ama-tombstone uKhabo.
Sure.
uKhabo is well known everywhere. uKhabo bengimgunda bro aphendile ifone ngapha asebenza yabona. So I believe ukuthi makunjalo mfethu wenza imali ngenza imali mfethu umsebenzi uqhubekela phambili and lento siyenzayo lengiyenza ibenefit wena le uyenza ibenefit someone isiza someone. So I wouldn't mind bafethu kunishaya ilento izane haircut lokho nisebenza. Somebody's getting motivation somewhere bafethu. You know motivation with inchazelana someone relates bro.
Yeah, call him. Yeah.
So nispanseni bafethu shout out bafethu. I pray bafethu every day goes God sabantwana bakho.
No, nami ngicabanga ngingayijabulela mfethu ukuthi one day sishaka kanje ube ula ngomshini mfethu usigonda yabo abantu bayibona into ekhuluma ngayo cha mfethu 14 years now mfethu experience.
But I owe you a haircut bafethu makhulini wela ngicela ningifonele bafethu. Yeah, on the house bafethu mina
on the house
bafethu. And then what I do bafethu imali I believe is after. Yeah.
Hey, I want to look at my little cool and the banning about understand because most of what bajaha imali. Ngathi no wajaha imali. imali iza after.
Ngeke uyithande lento yenza.
Izoyizela sizela yona. Kodwa mazokhupha yona
Yazi kunokuthi ngifike ngithi on the house bro wami le. Ayisani. Umuntu makazibheka vela athi hayi baba. So ilento ngimina ngithi imali iza mfethu. Yeah. So ayisani manjalo mfethu lo 200 ongayona mfethu. Khona lo lambile la mfethu. I make sure ukuthi lo 10 rand iphumile kimi.
Yabo nje mfethu nje sesibala uqhuma nje lento eshoyo. Abanye abantu banokuluza imisebenzi ngenxa yemali. Yabo. Ngabe uyabekezela mfethu uthatha lokho abakunika khona. Wena you building lento oyibuildayo experience or in it's one day izokhokhela
kuzohlangana
imali engaphezulu kwemali oyicabanga. But then otherwise mfethu shout out dog. Kufisela kuhle
ngicela ukukhula
mfethu akufisela kuhle kodwa ngesaluni yakho mfethu ngeshandisi yakho mfethu and then okuningi kuzokwenzakala uNkulunkulu khona abantu bakhona bayabuka mfethu nathi sokubiza mfethu izoba in the house sisishaya kanje ubula ngomshini
uyabona
ubala
bathu live
ubala
bafethu there's no cameras. Okay, there are cameras but they are always rolling so siphela every day siyasenzeni into eshaza umphakathi ngoba bafethu ayisana umphakathi une talent umphakathi is willing to change this world but abana motivation lesiyenzayo bafethu ba motivating bakhule sikhuleni nathi bafethu.
Siyabonga dog.
Message yokugcina to abantu abasebenza ngabantu. Rule number 1, your customer, your client, it's always right. Rule number 2, if the client or customer is wrong, refer to rule number 1.
Customer is always right.
Oh, yabonga dog. Thank you KG.
Nazo.
Thank you.
Hola dog.
Peace out.